Today I'm going to show you how to get this absolute wonderbar light profile on your Zeus wheels completely free. No subscription needed, no monthly payment needed, and you get all your bells and whistles. Spot on the left, spot on the right, yellow flag, pit animations, all that set up very nice, easy peasy. And yeah, let's just get into it, shall we? First thing is first, you're going to have to get your Zeus wheel into USB mode, because usually this over here is a CAN connection. And SiMagic says it's because it's a more secure connection, and yes, that might be the case. I can say that I've not had one single shutdown, interrupt, freeze whatsoever using USB. Now, the way I get my wheel, how I force it to go into USB, as you can see, I'm running no wires whatsoever. To get it into that mode, I go and I stick a little bit of tape. This here I've got duct tape, and over there it is this on the right hand side. So the SiMagic logo is facing upwards like it should, and then you'll see here I've got one connection there, and then the second two, so the second and third one from the right, I covered with this piece of tape. And now when I click in my steering wheel, oh, there we go. When I click it in, it forces the wheel to go into USB mode. And that is very handy and dandy if you want to do, SimHub. You can see it says USB. That's how you know these light profiles are going to work. This, of course, the light profile, if I take this out, you'll see this light profile works even with rev lights here in the back. So if you are just running, where's my little cover? If you are running this without a screen, guess what? It's still going to look absolutely phenomenal. And look here. So this is the software in question. It is ATSR Hub Evo. And you can see, look how easy it is for me just to change colors. There's loads here that you can pre-pick from, And there's a lovely dashboard one as well if you prefer that. I like this one over here. Where do you get this software? I'm going to link it down below. You go into Discord. This is Discord over here. And as you can see, it is now available on Zeus and also on the Magic Dash. Okay. And to get this, you go into wherever here, download ATSR Evo. You download that, you load the plugin into SimHub, simsalabim, it's that easy. Now I'm going to show you step by step how to get this light profile running on your rig. There are some things that are behind a paywall. To be honest, very few things. But if you have multiple Zeus wheels, if I wanted to add another Zeus wheel, I would have to pay a subscription. There's a workaround. I've got the Zeus Sport here, and whenever I plug in the Zeus Sport, I just delete this one and I install the other one, and it's very quick. And I'm going to show you how quick it is. As you can see now, I've got no devices over here. And yeah, I'm completely, black. My steering wheel is no lights, no magic, nothing's happening. Go to add device. You will see here on the top is your devices. And yeah, I just want to say the SimRep LED profile is second to none. It puts the Daniel Newman Racing profile for these little SimRep lights that I've got running here to shame. And it's free. So yeah, if you are running the SimRep lights, I highly recommend it. Click on your device you want to add. It's as easy as that. And yeah, it takes you step by step. It says here, export your LED profile. You hit the export. Now, is this at downloads? Yes, you can see I've already done the Magic Dash one there. And last week I done my Zeus profile. So I'm not going to download it again, but you save it. And remember the folder that you saved it to. I just put a download. Now you go and add your device onto SimHub. I'm assuming you already done this. This is where you add your device on here. You can see mine is on there. My Zeus steering wheel is on. So I can skip that step because I've already got that on. Now it says step 3. The LED profile needs to be installed correctly. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Okay. How you do that is you go to your home page. You go onto the devices. This is how it looks. You need to go here and you need to say individual profile only. This is very important. Individual profile only. And you go here, default lighting disabled. So this should be gray. Default lighting, this one here, default lighting should be off, and you should be individual profile. Now you go and you Import profile, go to downloads, that's where mine is saved, and this is a SiMagic Zeus profile, and I hit open, and look at that, straight away, it's on. I was going to show you how to add the magic dash as well, but to be honest, that is me just dragging out this video. It is not necessary. You add it exactly the same way I just showed you how to add the steering wheel. Just remember, these are two different devices. Even though you click this into the wheel, this magic dash, it is still two different devices on SimHub. So you have to add both separately. And SimSalabim, it is off and working. And just look how nice it looks with the screen. And look at that, works very, very nice. I can now go to my color themes. I can change this to Arctic if I want. This one is quite nice, the emerald. This one is very nice, the fire and flame. Aurora, you know, the world's your oyster. There's a lot of color. If this has been helpful to you, if your LED profile, if your Zeus wheels now shine that little bit brighter, please give me a subscribe and just like this video. Those are free ways that you can help me, and I really, it goes a long way, and it is very much appreciated. I love you. I hope your next race is a winner.